Right, it's about 8:15 on Thanksgiving morning, and we're up here on Old Flowers Road. This is really not a super complicated four-wheel drive trail. Most stock pickup trucks can drive this just fine, but I wanted to play around with some of the autonomous flight programs on the drone. So I figured before Thanksgiving, oh, there's a doe. Before Thanksgiving, or dinner, I should say, I would come up here into the clearing. Ooh, I am the first one up here this morning because I just punched through the ice. But I figured I would come up here and play with some of the drone programs, see what I could get accomplished. The last time I messed around with it, the follow me feature that the drone has, or I guess the object tracking feature, whatever you want to call it, of the Mavic 2, it didn't react very well to the terrain changes, and when the Jeep would duck into the trees, it couldn't follow it through the kind of the harsh shadows. So wanted to mess around with that a little bit today. It's also kind of nice that, unless somebody's camping up here, a hunter, I'm the first one up this road today, so I know I won't be bothering anybody with the drone. They're not that loud, but they're definitely obvious that you have one in the air. Alright, we'll shut this off till we come to the clearing up here. It's only 5 minutes away. messed around with the drone for a little bit, and that footage was before this, obviously, and still having that problem where activetrack it'll lose the Jeep in the trees for whatever reason. When you select the vehicle and hit go, instead of it retaining the box that you selected, maybe it's just like a processing power thing, it goes down to this little tiny dot on the controller, which I've got a feeling that is why it does what it does, but still haven't seen anybody, haven't heard anybody. There are some huge, they look like canine tracks. They're not quite the paw shape of a mountain lion, but I suppose they could be. It's about 9:15. I was gonna just mess around up here for a little bit longer and turn around and head back, because it'll be hour and a half back to my house at the turnaround point here. So I just wanted to get out. I haven't put a video on YouTube off-roading in a couple months, so I've just been that busy. So figured we'd just mess around on Old Flowers Road. They're gonna lock the gates on this road coming up here probably December 1st. That's usually when the Forest Service starts shutting things down. My original plan today was to go up Storm Mountain, but I'll drive back by that gate on my way down. I'll snap a picture, video clip or something. But that road's already shut for the season. It closed on November 10th, which is the earliest I think it's ever closed before. So just kind of pisses me off. The ranch thinks that they can just bar that gate. Oh well. Headed back down towards Masonville, and we're coming up on the Storm Mountain Trail that's usually open till December 1st, but these guys that own the ranch locked it up, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the drive-by or not, but I'll try and point it out. It's not this gate, but it should be this next one. So, right here on my right, you can see that house. There's an access road right here. That's not this house's driveway, but that's the Storm Mountain Road that's closed, which sucks.